This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 8th of March. I'm James Spann. We've got rain falling now across much of north and northwest Alabama, cooler air moving in. And tomorrow promises to be a cool and wet day across the state. And the weekend kind of a mixed bag. Sunny on Saturday, then rain back Sunday. Maybe some strong storms before the weekend is over. So as always, it is an interesting forecast here in March. This is the upper air look across the country today. Again, we got ridging near the Gulf Coast, but a shallow layer of cool air is beginning to seep in from the north. There's the visible satellite view. Now, for South Alabama, it's mostly sunny. North Alabama, mostly cloudy. And rain is falling now across a pretty good chunk of west and northwest Alabama. That radar composite was captured about 2:30. Rain falling in places like Cullman, Huntsville, the Shoals, Hamilton, Jasper. And that first batch of rain will be scooting across the state this evening. We'll see more rain at times during the day tomorrow. Numbers are all over the board today. Look at Haleyville. They've got 53 in Winston County. That's almost 30 degrees colder than yesterday. But we've still got 70s from Birmingham South. Birmingham at 70, but the cool air will win the battle here. And again, tomorrow, many places over North Alabama will stay in the 50s all day with clouds and occasional rain. And again, it's warm in South Alabama. Look at Mobile at 84 this afternoon. There's the watch warning map, a relatively quiet day for the southern U.S. Up north, snow problems for parts of the Dakotas, Montana. Winter weather advisories there. Winter storm warnings for parts of Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. We have a marginal risk of severe storms west of the state through tonight. This is around the Red River, parts of South Oklahoma and North Texas. This is tomorrow, a marginal risk defined from near Waco, Texas, into extreme west Alabama. Quite frankly, it's kind of hard to get excited about severe weather with temperatures in the 50s. It'll be a cool, stable air mass, and I don't think we have a problem. And again, there could be some thunder, but no severe weather really expected. And then on day 3, which is Friday, again, maybe a bit of thunder in the southern and central part of the state, but no severe storms are expected. This is the rain for the next 7 days. Rain amounts for the northern part of the state between 1.5 and 2.5 inches. This is between now and Wednesday morning of next week. Under 1 inch down in deep South Alabama. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. The ridge gradually breaking down. And again, it's going to be a cloudy, cool day with occasional rain. 50s for the northern third of the state, 60s elsewhere. And could there be a rumble of thunder? Yes. But again, just not expecting any severe weather problems and a cool, stable air mass. So Friday, rain continues, but the rain should begin to taper off from northwest to southeast during the midday and early afternoon hours. Showers could linger into South Alabama through the afternoon. The high Friday should be in the 60s. And we still believe we're going to squeeze in a dry day Saturday as the weekend begins. Should be a sunny day with highs in the 60s in most spots. But then Sunday, the rain is back with the next wave coming in, a surface low depicted by the GFS just north of Huntsville, 1,005 millibars. And we do note the GFS continues to show increasing amounts of surface-based instability, with temperatures maybe pushing 70. Really, the dynamic support is not overwhelming. Those values not especially high, but certainly it's March, climatology. There might be a strong storm Sunday afternoon or Sunday evening, and once we get within 60 hours, we'll get the good high-resolution convection-allowing model data, and we'll take a look at that. But certainly rain at times Sunday, maybe a strong storm Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. And then Monday, we get into a colder air mass. The rain is gone. Highs drop in the upper 40s maybe for the Tennessee Valley, 50s and 60s for the rest of the state, the sky becoming partly sunny. And Tuesday looks to be a sunny but a pretty chilly day. And again, there's a pretty good chance we're going to see some spots below freezing Tuesday morning. These are the temperature anomalies across the country. We're in that bright green. Temperatures well below average. And again, the high Tuesday in the 50s in most spots with a sunny sky. And this is a week from today. This is Wednesday the 15th, a northerly flow aloft, and again, a dry air mass. And again, Wednesday morning, that might be the coldest morning. That's when radiational cooling kicks in. The sky will be clear, the wind will be light, and we might see some 20s in spots, really both Tuesday and Wednesday morning. So growers beware for the northern half of the state, potential for a late season freeze both Tuesday and Wednesday morning of next week. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 18th, troughing to the north. Surface boundary coming in with a shot of showers, maybe some thunder. That's not a severe weather look. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. We're looking for that green line. The mean, a little over 4 inches between now and the 24th of March. And yeah, the 80s are gone for a while. This is for Birmingham, the National Blend of Models. 62 tomorrow. And again, we're looking out to next week. You can see the high by Tuesday dropping to 54. And the NBM is showing mid-30s here, but most of the deterministic output showing upper 20s and low 30s. And I do think the National Blend of Models will see the numbers coming down as we get closer. And again, the main message for next week, dry Monday through Thursday. But again, a good chance of a late season freeze Tuesday and Wednesday morning for the northern half of the state, and maybe even some frost Wednesday morning down into South Alabama. And right off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14 day guidance. This is for March 16th through March 22nd. Temperatures at or maybe a little below average here. Hey, let's roll that Pepsi Kid Cam. BA, Bessemer Academy. We had a crowd today. That's a good-looking group. Had a chance to speak with their middle and high school students in their chapel service, and then after that did a science program for the elementary school kids, and they were just great today. I mean, they were outstanding. We had the whole crowd in there, and boy, I got some good loot today. I love these signs, by the way. They know me well. I mean, they know me well. You got everything up there from the face bag and the tweeter to the state bird. Look at that backpack. It was full of goodies and got these cookies. I mean, wow. They were so kind. And those cookies are as good as they look, I will tell you that. But again, to all the students and the faculty members out at BA, Bessemer Academy, great crowd today, and you guys are looking so good. All right, so that's it for the afternoon briefing. We'll have notes on the blog. That's alabamawx.com. Tomorrow I will be at Leeds Primary School. And then Friday, 2 schools in Tuscaloosa. Got Rock Quarry Elementary and then Flatwoods Elementary. And then don't forget Saturday, book signing day. We will be at the Shoal Creek Market and Grill in Edwardsville on US 78, just east of Heflin. Best gas station food ever. That's what the sign says. We're going to be there from 9:30 to 12:30. So if you're in West Georgia, East Alabama, come see us. We're going to have a ball. And then a week from Saturday, we'll be down in Fairhope on the eastern shore of Mobile Bay on the 18th of March. And we'll talk much more about that as we get closer to that. So join us this evening if you can. ABC 3340 News, and of course you know where we do that, right across the hall in Studio A. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a marvelous evening, and God bless.